Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale your side hustle with LinkedIn step by step clearly. Start by defining your side hustle's niche and target audience. Identify the skills and services you offer that align with this niche. Create a professional LinkedIn profile that highlights your expertise. Use a high-quality, professional photo for your profile picture. Write a compelling headline that clearly communicates what you do. Craft a summary that tells your story and showcases your passions. Include relevant skills in your profile to enhance visibility in search results. Extend your network by connecting with industry professionals and potential clients. Join LinkedIn groups related to your niche to engage with like-minded individuals. Share valuable content that demonstrates your expertise and knowledge. Post updates regularly to keep your audience engaged and informed. Utilize LinkedIn's publishing platform to write articles on topics relevant to your niche. Engage with comments on your posts to build relationships and foster discussions. Reach out directly to people in your network to explore collaboration opportunities. Utilize LinkedIn's search features to find potential clients or partnerships. Consider offering free consultations to attract interest in your side hustle. Gather testimonials from satisfied clients and display them on your profile. Track your progress by analyzing connection growth and engagement metrics. Adjust your strategy based on what content resonates most with your audience. Keep refining your approach as you learn more about your target market. Stay active on the platform to maintain visibility and grow your network consistently. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.